again. It's a Rhinestones.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I'm wearing gloves. I'm halfway through a set of nails, but it's bedtime. I just haven't had time to finish them, so I'll finish them tomorrow. And yeah, I don't know if any of you have heard me saying it last few videos. I hate the way my hands are looking at the minute. I really fell out with my hands. I'm really not liking them at the minute, so they better fix up quick time, or else we're gonna fall out forever. Yeah, I'm not happy with my hands at the minute. So I got a couple of bits off Temu, guys. It's only a couple of bits. I can't bring myself to do these big hauls anymore just because stuff's cheap. It's not stuff that I need, but I had to dip my toe in because it's Temu. The prices are crazy. I've got a couple of bits from Amazon, and I've got some from AliExpress, and I've had a little tiny bit of friend mail turn up that I'll show you. So, little bit of all sorts today. Right, shall I just show you first what I got from Temu? So, where should I start? Right, let's just start here. I got some rings. If I remember, I'll stick the prices up on the screen. I got this Temu order over a month ago, I think, when Temu first opened, and everything was pennies, dirt cheap. I think the prices have gone up a little bit now. I'm not so sure. So I got some rings. Look at these. Peachy orange. This one's love art. These are going to look silly with gloves on, aren't they? But I'll show you anyway. That's got a cute little butterfly on it. And then this one's... Oh, it's two little hands doing this. You know the love art sign? It's two little hands doing that. Oh, that's cute. And then we've got another peachy flower. That's going to look good on them flowers that we're all using at the minute. If I do use any in that colour. Oh, that one's a bit plain. I could put something on that, couldn't I? A little bling or charm. And then this last little one's got a teeny little love art. They're cute, aren't they? I like them. I've got hundreds and hundreds of rings though. I'm really reluctant to buy any, but I haven't got any in this colour, so I didn't mind getting them. Right, then I got these little charms. They're only one in a pack. Let me open them. I'm going to struggle to see this one. I'll show you the red one first, so you can get an idea of what it is. So it's one of them little love arts with a flick. And then it's got these other little blingies around it, and a chain, and a pearl. And then look, guys, it's got these gold plates on the back, so that they sit really nice and flat on your nail. You'd get a really good seal with that gold metal plate on the back. Aren't they cool? And that red's really sparkly, isn't it? I'm not so keen on this one because you can't see what it is really. You can just about make out that that's a love art, because it's all transparent gems and the chain is silver. I think this is my favourite one. This is pretty. Look. It's got little gold flowers on it. Isn't that cute? And it's got all little pearls there. That's a pretty one. You know these little gold flowers? I'd love some of them just on their own. So they're cute, aren't they? Right, then I got some SS5s. I get through these so much. I normally buy the multi-pack, all different sizes, but I always run out of these ones before anything else. So I just grabbed a pack of them. They're just your standard transparent gems, aren't they? But again, they were stupidly... Everything was just so cheap. I really needed some of these. These are transparent, all different... let me show you. And they're just transparent rhinestones. There's stars, squares, diamonds, teardrops, all sorts, butterflies. Yeah, butterflies. And they're all quite small, which I'm happy about. We've got big hearts, little hearts, all sorts in there. And then I got some of these. These are stencils for the air gun, airbrush, or to use with your sponges. I've got an airbrush thingy and I've never used it. I need to get it out and give it a go, don't I? I bought it for nail art and I've never used it. So this is a pack of 3. So we've got these ones. They've got love hearts with an arrow. Oh, these hearts have got a little cross. Broken heart, bows. These are cute. I have little sunglasses. So yeah, you stick these on the nail. And then you do your airbrush around it. Or you can dabber it with your sponge. They're cute. And then this one. All different shaped stars. And moons. Shooting stars. Like this one. Not sure what this is meant to be. Is it just an arrow? I think it's an arrow, isn't it? Yeah, because these are all arrows. Cute. I like them. Right, and then I've got a little stamping plate. This is cute. I don't think I've got any stamping plates this shape. Look at this, guys. All little fishes and sea plants. We've got anchors, bubbles. We've got the Staffordshire knot. Dolphins. Is that a dolphin with a monkey? Looks like a dolphin with a monkey. I like these starfish, mermaid, crab. Yeah. This is a really cute little plate. Yeah, I like that. I haven't got a stamping plate that shape. And then I got these. These look cute. I have got these in different colours, but mine are neon. Flowers and butterflies. So they're like matte, but they have got a little... What's up with my light today? My lighting's horrendous, guys. I'm sorry. My lighting's really bad. Yeah, so these are all different colour little flowers. So we've got purple. Yeah, they're matte, but they've got a little bit of a sheen. They're not quite metallic. Aren't these cute? And then on the other side, these are all butterflies. Can you see? All these shaped butterflies. These are so pretty. These colours. Yeah, I really like them. They're really, really pretty. Bright, vibrant colours, aren't they? Really like them. And I got a folder. I got this for my decals because I've still got loads of decals that need putting away. And these are perfect size. You can put a decal in the front and you can put a decal in the back. And they're just great for organising your decals. I'll show you. I don't know if this is the small one or the big one. Yeah, that's the small one. I've got a couple of these. I've got a smaller one. Let me zoom you out a bit now. I've got a smaller one and a bigger one. This one used to have a strap to close it, but it bugs me. But yeah, you can just put decals in the front and in the back. I needed another one. This one's the same size. Put all decals, stickers. Perfect size, aren't they? So I've got another one of those. Right, and I got some nail tips. Guys, has anybody ever seen nail tips in such a long, thin... Look at the size of that. It's huge. So long and so thin. I've never seen a nail case like it. Mine's broke. So I'm going to have to find another place for these. The little clips were broke off it. This one has just actually fell off. It was hanging on for dear life. Yeah, I can't remember if these are 2XL or 3XL. I think they're 2XL. Yeah, I think they're 2XL. I've not got these for my own nails. I've got these for my practice hand because I really like the extra long coffin that I've got. But once I've pushed it into my cuticle area, I'm only left with a little bit. So I thought I'll get the extra long ones. And by the time I've pushed it into my cuticle area, I've still got a decent amount left to work on. I suppose I could do the odd set on my own nails and just do them really long. But they're actually really nice tips. And they have got a C-curve, but it's not a massive one, is it? It's not a massive, deep C-curve. I don't mind that. Yeah, I like them. They're really nice. Right, I'm going to have to get a move on. I thought this would be a quick video. Yeah, that's it for Temu. Right, AliExpress, I got myself a new brush. This looks good. So this is a double-ended brush. And I think it's, look at that. Wow. Liner brush, and it's got the little metal, you know, the little metal, I think they call it a ferrule. Just your nail addict taught me that, what it's called, a ferrule. Look at that, that looks nice. And on the other end, it's another one. I think one's 19mm and one's 25mm, so that one's a little bit shorter. My hands are greasy because I've just ate my tea wearing gloves. I'm a tramp, I am. I can't wait to try them. I'll leave linked for all this stuff below, guys. Right, what else have I got? Right, lastly, show you two more things off Amazon, these last two ones. I think I'm going to have to save the friend mail for another video. These are just little drill bits I got off Amazon. I've not tried them yet. Came in a pack of 3. It comes with your little brush. It's got a nylon brush and a copper wire brush. They're brilliant for cleaning your drill bits. And it's just 3, what do you call them? Carbide bits, are they called? 3 of them, medium grit. And they don't look too bad, actually. So I'll be curious to see what they're like. I'll put these in my Amazon store. Anything from Amazon, I'll put them in. I'll pin them in my Amazon store. So there's that one, and this one. Never used one of these ones before. It looks good, doesn't it? And then there's this one. I always use ceramic bits. 9 times out of 10, I use ceramic bits. All the bits that I've ever bought are ceramic. But yeah, I'll be curious to see what they're like. I'll definitely have to give them a go. And lastly, off Amazon, do any of you remember I bought... No, I didn't buy it. It was a birthday present. That was it. I had some of these on my wish list on Amazon. And Nails by Cami went on my wish list for my birthday and ordered me one. She ordered me this one, which is called Cover. Beautiful colour. I have done a full set of nails using this. And it is a beautiful, beautiful hard gel. I love it. So smooth. I didn't get a single bubble. Beautiful to file. I really, really liked it. So I bought myself another one. Yeah, so that one's called Cover. And this one is Cover Light. I'm just going to give it a quick swatch because I'm dying to see what it's like. I want to use it. Oh, this looks nice. Yeah, this was beautiful to use. I did a full set of nails using it. And I really, really enjoyed it. So I've got another colour. And I'll probably just get another colour every couple of weeks. I'll get another colour. Because, yeah, I haven't got a proper pink yet. I wouldn't mind getting a proper pink. I think they've got one called French Pink. I wouldn't mind getting, because these are both nude, like nudes, aren't they? So I'm definitely going to get a pinky pink. And then I'll probably get their white and clear. I like the consistency of it. It's not runny, but it's not too thick. It still self-levels. But you've got enough time to have a little play about with it. Really, really nice hard gel. If you're looking for a builder or a hard gel to try, I would definitely recommend this. It's really nice. Ooh, that's a pretty colour. Let me just cure that. Right, so that's that one. Light cover and cover. They've got a cover dark and a cover medium as well. Really, really like them. Yeah, I definitely want a couple of pinky shades. Look how smooth and creamy they are as well. Yeah, really, really nice builder gels they are. Right, guys, I think I'm going to leave it there. I will save this friend mail for another video because I don't want to rush through it. I'll leave all links. Guys, I think I've got a discount code for Temu. I'm not sure if it's gone through yet or not, but you can try it. I'll leave it below anyway. If it doesn't work, then yeah, just use someone else's discount code. But yeah, I'll leave it below anyway. I'll leave links to everything below. Anything from Amazon will be in my Amazon storefront. The link's always in my description box. Guys, Nails with Gigi, I'll leave her YouTube channel in my description box. She's got a massive, massive giveaway going on at the minute. If you're not subscribed to her, head over, subscribe, and enter her giveaway. She's got so many different brands, fantastic prizes. She's trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. She's nearly there. Huge giveaway. So if you're not already subscribed to her, definitely go over and subscribe and enter this giveaway. It is huge. Honestly, go and see some of the prizes, guys. Fantastic prizes. But anyway, that is going to be it for today. Please remember to give my video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.